In today's video, the OSCAL Pad 100 is set to revolutionize the AI smart tablet market with its powerful performance, advanced features, and intelligent AI functions. At the first glance, the Pad 100 stands out with its 12-inch 2K HD display offering 30% more screen space compared to the standard 10-inch tablets. The screen supports 60.7 million colors and is certified for blue light emission, reducing eye strain during prolonged use. AI Smart Brightness Adjustment automatically adapts screen brightness to ambient-like conditions, improving viewing comfort. This tablet is powered by the Unisoc Tiger T615 octa-core processor, ensuring smooth performance for office tasks, complex applications, and moderate gaming. Additionally, it features 12GB of RAM, expandable to 24GB with the virtual memory technology, allowing for seamless multitasking with 256GB of internal storage and a micro SD card support of up to 2TB. Users will have virtually unlimited storage capacity. The OSCAL Pad 100 includes AI Advanced Power Saving System, extending battery life for long-time use. Its massive 9000 mAh battery supports all-day usage with the 5V reverse charging, allowing it to power all devices. For multimedia enthusiasts, the Pad 100 offers Wideline L1 certification, enabling 1080 pixel streaming on platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime. Additionally, dual Smart K stereo speakers provides rich and immersive audio, enhancing the entertainment experience. Also, one of the standout features of this model is AI-powered photo editing capabilities. The Pad 1 runs on Android 15, brings numerous excitements such as the private space for data security, app cloning for multiple account use, and improved customization options. The fixed split screen mode allows for efficient multitasking, making it ideal for productivity. The tablet comes with a free stylus for drawing and note-taking with support for full-size keyboards, and mice transforms into a portable workstation. Pre-installed VPS Office software makes it perfect companion for professionals on the go. With all these features, the Pad stands out as a powerful and versatile tool for the work, learning, creativity, and entertainment. If you want to grab your OSCAL Pad 100 at a better price, now is your chance. The sales links are below this video, so hurry up because quantities are limited.